Welcome. Today we're exploring the best ways to invest $100. Whether you're new to investing or simply looking for fresh ideas, this guide will help you make the most of your money. Investing doesn't require a fortune. Even a small amount can grow over time with the right strategy. We'll cover a range of options from stocks to savings accounts and discuss how to choose what's right for you. Let's start by understanding why investing is important and how $100 can be a powerful first step toward financial growth. Investing is more than just putting money aside, it's about making your money work for you. By investing, you can potentially earn returns that outpace inflation and build wealth over time. Even with just $100, you can start learning valuable lessons about risk, reward, and financial discipline. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Let's look at how $100 can be the foundation for bigger financial goals and why it's worth considering different investment options. For investing, it's important to set clear goals. Are you saving for a short-term purchase, building an emergency fund, or planning for long-term growth? Knowing your purpose helps you choose the right investment. With $100, you might aim to learn about the market, test a new platform, or simply see how your money can grow. Setting goals keeps you focused and helps you track progress. Let's explore how to define your investment objectives and align them with your risk tolerance. Every investment comes with some level of risk. With $100, you can afford to experiment, but it's important to understand what you're comfortable with. Risk can mean losing some or all of your money, but it also means the chance for higher returns. Some investments, like stocks, are riskier but offer greater potential rewards. Others, like savings accounts, are safer but grow more slowly. Let's discuss how to assess your risk tolerance and choose investments that match your comfort level. One popular way to invest $100 is in the stock market. Stocks represent ownership in companies, and their value can rise or fall based on business performance and market trends. With $100, you can buy fractional shares or use apps that allow small investments. Stocks can offer high returns, but they also carry risk. It's important to research companies, diversify your choices, and understand how the market works. Let's dive into how to start investing in stocks with just $100. Investment apps make it easy to start with small amounts. Many platforms let you invest as little as $1, making $100 a great starting point. These apps often offer educational resources, automatic investing, and user-friendly interfaces. You can choose stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies. Look for apps with low fees and good reviews. Let's explore how to pick the right app and use it to grow your $100 investment. ETFs are collections of stocks or bonds that you can buy like a single share. They offer diversification, which helps reduce risk. With $100, you can buy fractional shares of ETFs through many investment apps. ETFs are a good choice for beginners because they spread your money across multiple companies or sectors. Let's look at how ETFs work and why they're a smart option for small investors. If you prefer safety, a high-yield savings account is a great option. These accounts offer interest on your deposit and are insured by the government. While returns are lower than stocks, your money is safe and accessible. With $100, you can open an account and start earning interest right away. Let's discuss how to find the best savings accounts and maximize your returns. CDs are another safe investment. You deposit your money for a set period and earn a fixed interest rate. With $100, you can open a short-term CD and enjoy guaranteed returns. CDs are best for those who don't need immediate access to their money. Let's explore how CDs work and when they're a good fit for your investment plan. Robo-advisors use algorithms to manage your investments automatically. With $100, you can start an account and let the robo-advisor choose a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. These services are convenient and often have low fees. Let's look at how robo-advisors work and why they're a good choice for beginners. Micro-investing platforms allow you to invest small amounts, often rounding up your purchases and investing the spare change. With $100, you can see how these platforms work and build a habit of regular investing. They're designed for beginners and make investing easy and accessible. Let's discuss how micro-investing can help you grow your money over time. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can be bought and sold online. With $100, you can purchase fractions of popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crypto is highly volatile, so it's important to research and understand the risks. Many platforms make it easy to start with small amounts. Let's explore how to invest in cryptocurrency safely and what to watch out for. Peer-to-peer lending platforms let you lend your money to others and earn interest. With $100, you can participate in small loans and diversify your lending portfolio. These platforms offer higher returns than traditional savings, but there's more risk involved. Let's look at how peer-to-peer lending works and how to minimize risk. One of the best investments is in your own skills and education. With $100, you can buy books, enroll in online courses, or attend workshops. Improving your knowledge can lead to better job opportunities and higher income. Let's discuss how investing in yourself pays off and what options are available for personal growth. With $100, you can start a small side business or gig. Buy supplies, create a website, or market your services. Side hustles can generate extra income and teach valuable business skills. Let's explore how to use your $100 to launch a side hustle and what types of businesses you can start. Another option is to buy products in bulk and resell them online. With $100, you can purchase inventory and use platforms like eBay or Etsy to reach customers. This approach requires research and effort but can turn a profit. Let's discuss how to start buying and selling products and tips for success. Art and collectibles can be unique investments. With $100, you can buy small pieces or collectibles that may appreciate in value. This option requires knowledge and patience, but it can be rewarding. Let's look at how to invest in art or collectibles and what to consider before buying. Real estate crowdfunding lets you invest in property projects with small amounts. With $100, you can join platforms that pool funds from many investors. This approach offers exposure to real estate without needing large capital. Let's explore how real estate crowdfunding works and what to look for in a platform. Mutual funds are managed portfolios that pool money from many investors. With $100, you can buy into funds that invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Mutual funds offer diversification and professional management. Let's discuss how mutual funds work and why they're a good option for small investors. Dividend stocks pay regular income to shareholders. With $100, you can buy shares in companies that offer dividends and enjoy passive income. This approach combines growth and income, making it attractive for beginners. Let's look at how to find dividend stocks and build a portfolio. Bonds are loans you make to governments or companies earning interest over time. With $100, you can buy savings bonds or bond ETFs. Bonds are generally safer than stocks and provide steady returns. Let's discuss how to invest in bonds and what types are available for small investors. Apps like Acorns invest your spare change by rounding up purchases. With $100, you can see how small amounts add up over time. This method is easy and automatic, helping you build a habit of investing. Let's explore how roundup investing works and its benefits. Crowdfunding platforms let you invest in new businesses and startups. With $100, you can support innovative projects and potentially earn returns if they succeed. This option is riskier but can be exciting and rewarding. Let's discuss how to invest in startups and what to consider before joining a crowdfunding campaign. Online marketplaces offer opportunities to invest in products, services, or digital assets. With $100, you can buy and sell items, participate in auctions, or invest in digital goods. This approach requires research and effort but can be profitable. Let's look at how to use online marketplaces for investment. Precious metals like gold and silver are traditional investments. With $100, you can buy small amounts or invest through ETFs. Metals offer stability and can protect against inflation. Let's discuss how to invest in precious metals and their role in a diversified portfolio. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, let you invest in property without owning it directly. With $100, you can buy shares in REITs and earn income from real estate. REITs offer diversification and regular payouts. Let's explore how REITs work and their benefits for small investors. Investing in online courses can boost your skills and earning potential. With $100, you can enroll in classes on finance, technology, or business. Education is a lifelong investment that pays dividends in knowledge and opportunity. Let's discuss how to choose the right course and maximize your learning. Investing in your health is always wise. With $100, you can buy fitness equipment, join a gym, or take wellness classes. Good health supports productivity and happiness. Let's explore how to invest in health and wellness and the long-term benefits. Building an emergency fund is a smart investment. With $100, you can start a savings account dedicated to unexpected expenses. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial security. Let's discuss how to build and maintain an emergency fund. Investing in your community through charitable giving can be rewarding. With $100, you can support causes you care about and make a positive impact. Giving back builds connections and strengthens communities. Let's explore how to choose charities and the benefits of giving. Improving your financial literacy is a valuable investment. With $100, you can buy books, attend seminars, or subscribe to financial newsletters. Understanding money management helps you make better decisions and grow your wealth. Let's discuss how to invest in financial education. Attending networking events can open doors to new opportunities. With $100, you can join local business groups or attend industry conferences. Networking helps you build relationships and learn from others. Let's explore how to invest in networking and its benefits. Personal development is a lifelong investment. With $100, you can take courses, buy self-help books, or attend workshops. Improving yourself leads to greater confidence and success. Let's discuss how to invest in personal development and the options available. Budgeting tools help you manage your money and track spending. With $100, you can buy software or apps that make budgeting easier. Good budgeting supports smart investing and financial success. Let's explore how to invest in budgeting tools and their benefits. Insurance protects you from unexpected losses. With $100, you can buy basic coverage or supplement existing policies. Insurance is an important part of financial planning. Let's discuss how to invest in insurance and what types are available. Mobile banking apps make managing your money easy and convenient. With $100, you can open accounts, transfer funds, and monitor investments from your phone. Technology supports smart financial decisions. Let's explore how to use mobile banking for investing. Automated savings tools help you set aside money regularly. With $100, you can start a savings plan and build a habit of saving. Automation makes it easy to grow your funds over time. Let's discuss how to use automated savings and its benefits. Buying gift cards can be a creative investment. With $100, you can purchase cards for future use or resell them at a profit. Gift cards offer flexibility and can be used for personal or business needs. Let's explore how to invest in gift cards and maximize their value. Travel rewards programs let you earn points or miles for spending. With $100, you can join programs and start accumulating rewards for future trips. Travel rewards can save money and enhance your experiences. Let's discuss how to invest in travel rewards and their benefits. Subscription services offer access to valuable resources. With $100, you can subscribe to financial tools, educational platforms, or entertainment services. Subscriptions can support learning, productivity, or relaxation. Let's explore how to invest in subscriptions and choose the best options. Joining online communities can expand your knowledge and network. With $100, you can access premium groups or forums focused on investing and finance. Communities offer support, advice, and opportunities. Let's discuss how to invest in online communities and their value. Financial planning helps you set goals and create a roadmap for success. With $100, you can consult a planner or use planning tools. Good planning supports smart investing and long-term growth. Let's explore how to invest in financial planning and its benefits. Regularly reviewing your investments is essential. With $100, you can track performance and make adjustments as needed. Reviewing helps you stay on track and improve results. Let's discuss how to review and adjust your investment plan for success. Investing with a long-term perspective is key to success. With $100, you can start building habits and strategies that pay off over time. Patience and discipline help your investments grow. Let's explore how to maintain a long-term outlook and stay motivated. Investing $100 can be the start of a rewarding financial journey. From stocks and savings to personal growth and community impact, there are many ways to make your money work for you. The key is to choose options that match your goals and risk tolerance, stay informed, and review your progress regularly. Remember, every investment teaches valuable lessons and builds your confidence. Start today and watch your $100 grow into something greater.